Didn't you just take a picture of me? That's hypocritical. That's funny, dude. You're funny, dude. Where? I'm on your property? Where? This is your property? You know what an easement is? Do you know what an easement is? You don't know what a public easement is? No? Well, you might get educated today. You might get educated today. I'm not your slave. Sorry.
Oh, that's why we're turning it into
I mean, I could. But you're telling me to do something, right? What did I tell you to do? What did I tell you? Wait. Hey, no. Asking is, hey, could you wait for the cops? You said wait for the cops. Yeah, that's a tell. That's not an ask. Wait for the cops. Did you go and they didn't educate you over the phone on what public easement is? Just be truthful to the cops when they show up.
The video opens by highlighting a familiar pattern. An officer responding to a call for service assumes that recording in public justifies suspicion and control. Viewers are introduced to a situation where a man lawfully filming from a public area is immediately treated as a problem rather than a citizen exercising his rights. The narrator explains that the officer attempts to violate the man's Fourth Amendment protections by demanding identification, issuing commands, and escalating without evidence of a crime. This opening establishes a central theme: authority testing constitutional limits without lawful justification.
You've been asked to leave the property, sir.
When?
You haven't signed on to the property. Just now.
Just now?
Yeah.
All right, I'm now on the property. Do you know what an easement is?
You're not in a safe place either.
Do you know what an easement is? Your safety is not my concern. My safety is not your concern. No one's safety is anyone else's concerns.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not trying to be funny. I'm trying to be serious. Do you know what an easement is?
What are you doing out here? What's the point of you being here?
I've been taking photos. He said he's calling the cops, so I was waiting 10 minutes.
So what were you taking photos of? That's all we were wondering.
No, I told him.
Because
But I told him.
coming in out of here, we gotta wonder what foot traffic is doing.
But I told him what I was doing.
Oh, he said you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
He said you didn't have to talk to him.
No, I didn't.
Oh, that's not what you said?
I told him. I said I'm out here taking pictures of what I can see in public.
No. He said that you asked him.
So I got to record it right here. I got to record it right here. You can lie all you want. He can lie all he wants. But I told him.
I don't really care.
I know you don't care.
I'm doing my job.
Yeah, you can do your job. But your job relays inside, not outside of your property.
All of this is my job. Buddy.
Really? The curb and everything?
Yeah.
Even the sidewalk?
Yeah.
You're on the sidewalk?
Yeah.
As the interaction begins, a property owner incorrectly claims ownership over public space, including sidewalks and easements. The citizen calmly challenges these assertions, explaining the concept of public easements and reaffirming his right to record what is visible from public view, rather than de-escalating. The situation becomes increasingly confrontational, with repeated demands for explanations that the citizen is not legally required to provide. This segment underscores how misinformation and personal feelings often replace legal standards during encounters between civilians and authority figures.
Really?
That's my job.
You own the sidewalk? For real?
I own it.
You really do? They own the sidewalk?
Yeah.
Holy shit. The only company in the U.S. to own the sidewalk.
You know, look at little viral videos, but it's not going to work today.
Yeah? What if the cops show up and try and do something crazy? That'd be hilarious, right?
Just asking you to get a little further off the road. That's all I'm trying to do.
You want me to move off the road a little bit? Sure, I'll do that for you.
Yeah, just so I can get off.
Yeah, come on.
Okay,
I'll move.
that's all I'm asking you.
Yeah, I'll move.
Can you move in the parking lot?
I can't go in their property. I can't do that.
I'm asking you to.
No. If they ask me to, then I'd go. I can't do that.
They're saying that you were just on their property.
No, I was there. I got it all recorded, man. Up and down.
Okay. Now to look at it.
You want to look at my video?
I just got the phone with me. Yeah.
Well, I've been up and down here. If they tell you otherwise, well, they can do a PPA. Yeah, they can do a PPA, and I can go ahead and go to jail, and they can go ahead and release me. No, I was about to move so you can move your car.
No, that's cool.
You sure?
I mean, I asked you to go in the parking lot. You're not going.
Yeah, I'm not going to go in the parking lot because that's on their property.
Okay.
And he already said I'm not allowed on their property.
So I'll just block this.
Right.
Then. That's fine.
I mean, if you want to, I can move down there and you can go ahead and park.
Now, I want to make this as easy as possible.
All right, no
What's
problem.
your name, man?
I don't want to give that, sir.
Okay, well, I can tell you right now, unfortunately, you're being detained for a disorderly conduct violation because they're saying that you're on the property, okay, and you're
When an officer arrives, the focus shifts from education to control. Although the citizen cooperates by repositioning himself for safety, he refuses to enter private property or comply with unlawful commands. Despite no clear crime being identified, the officer begins framing the encounter as disorderly conduct. The citizen clearly states his willingness to resolve the matter peacefully while documenting every interaction. This moment illustrates how easily lawful behavior can be mischaracterized when officers prioritize compliance over constitutional analysis.
You can read that and return it in 1 minute.
I just want your side
Nope,
of the
if you're
story.
saying disorderly conduct, if that's my charge, they can take me in. I'll go ahead and do a PPA. And they can go ahead and arrest me, and I'll go ahead and fight it in court. As I said, I got it all on camera.
Well, that's great. I'd rather you just.
I understand it, but it's not my due diligence to prove anything. It's their job to prove I was wrong.
Harder than it has to be. Then?
I'm not making it harder. They called the cops. I didn't call you.
Right.
But you can read that, or you can return it. But it's explaining the law.
I know what the law is. I'm just
Okay, do you want to read it?
Story.
Do you want to read it? I told you my story. I was taking pictures out here. Now I can't have my property back. If you don't want to read it, that's fine.
Right now, I'm paying attention to you.
That's fine. Am I being detained?
You are. I just told you.
For what crime?
Disorderly conduct.
Disorderly conduct.
You want to give your side of the story now, or?
No, I'll wait till they tell you theirs. And if they tell you I was in their property, that's fine. But I wasn't.
You want to take the seat for me then?
No, I will not sit.
Well, I'm going to put you in handcuffs then, okay?
I refuse. If you do, I will be pressing a lawsuit against you.
Okay, you're being detained right now.
If you put me in handcuffs, you'll be getting a lawsuit.
258, you might come over here for a second, please.
Matter of fact, let me do this. Let me call my lawyer then. Let me call my lawyer.
The encounter escalates dramatically when the officer declares a citizen detained and threatens handcuffs, demanding he sit on the ground. The citizen refuses, asserting that he has not committed a crime and warning of legal consequences for unlawful detention. He attempts to provide legal information explaining his rights, which the officer declines to read. This portion of the video captures a critical failure of policing, detention based on accusation rather than evidence, shifting the burden of proof onto the citizen instead of the state.
He says I'm being detained.
Hey, he's being detained right now. I'm going to put him in handcuffs.
I'm calling my lawyer right now. He didn't want to read my information. I told him before already, I've been up and down here, not on their property, on a public easement. It's up to you to do what you want to do, but I'm calling my lawyer.
They just said he was taking pictures. They confronted him. They kind of got back and forth verbally, but that's it. That's all.
So they're saying he didn't go on the property.
They said he was in the driveway. They didn't say he went past the gate or anything like that into the property.
Are they wanting to press charges?
No, they didn't.
No, they're not. Okay.
No.
That's a different story than I got.
Yeah.
Oh, they want to press charges?
Okay.
So what story did you get?
Well, they thought they were saying you were on their property and you wouldn't leave and you're blocking trucks.
I wasn't blocking anything.
then-
That's a false report. Yeah, if they want to take me to jail,
talking
that's
to you right now. You start talking to somebody, you get a little more information as you talk to them. You know what I'm saying?
But
And so that's what they finally
can you
said.
answer
They
me
said,
this?
Yeah.
Is it my job to answer your questions?
You don't have to answer my questions.
There we go. Now, he says I'm detained for disorderly. Am I still being detained?
You
They don't want to press charges. You don't like what I'm saying?
So if I wanted to press charges, they'd be detained, right? You put them in handcuffs the same way?
What's that?
You put them in the handcuffs the same way if they were detained, right?
I was investigating them for doing some sort of offense, and they weren't complying with anything I asked them to do.
So as I was trying to give him,
As additional information emerges, inconsistencies in the complaint become apparent. The alleged property violation dissolves under scrutiny, and the reporting parties admit no crime actually occurred. The officer's justification for detention weakens, exposing how quickly enforcement decisions can be based on incomplete or false information. Throughout this exchange, the citizen remains composed, continuing to assert his rights while documenting the encounter. The footage demonstrates how accountability increases when interactions are recorded and challenged calmly but firmly.
I am complying. But here's 3802.
I'm blocking a lane of traffic. Let's get out of
Yeah,
here.
I tried to go ahead and let him. But if you want to read that for me?
I'm familiar. That's
So
what,
he doesn't want to get educated. That's the problem. Briggs, what's your badge number?
Let's get out of here.
What's your badge number, sir? I'm asking.
1447.
1447?
I gotta get out of the road, okay?
I asked you to get out the roadway earlier.
Just
But
sit back and
I can't pass back here, sir.
Huh?
I can't pass back here.
Why?
That's their property.
Well,
See this? This is my safety sign. See that
that's for the
telephone pole?
roadway.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is my
Well,
easement.
here's the thing. Anything else I could do for you? They're not wanting to press charges. They just say you didn't do anything. So.
Well, I didn't commit a crime, so it
I
wouldn't matter.
understand.
So, but do you understand 3802, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And that means I don't have to ID or anything until I've been lawfully arrested.
Yes, sir. I agree. I
Okay.
understand all.
So that man, he detained me. I like the incident report since I was detained.
He never detained.
He said I got it on film, sir.
No, did he?
He said I was legally being detained. He can tell you right now.
Okay. If he never put handcuffs on you or anything like that.
That doesn't matter. I was detained. I would like the incident report.
Okay.
So I can go ahead and press file a report against this officer for detaining me for no crime.
Okay. You'd have to go up to the South Lake Police Department.
No, sir. The report was on me. I can get that report right now. What's that incident number?
I'll tell you what, meet me at the station, I'll give it to you.
That's not how it works. Can you get your supervisor?
I am the supervisor.
Can you get your supervisor, please?
Sure. Meet me at the station and I'll have you talk to
No, sir. I would like the either give me an incident report, or I'm just gonna have to. This is getting more difficult than what it has to be. Why are you so uptight? Why can't you just give me?
Road right now.
Okay, I'm on an easement.
Okay, are you gonna let me talk?
Go on.
You're asking me a question, let me answer. Okay? Alright. When I was asking you.
Attention shifts to the aftermath of the unlawful detention, with the citizen requesting an incident report to document what occurred. Despite initial resistance, the officer eventually acknowledges the request. The discussion highlights a critical misunderstanding among officers that detention only count if handcuffs are applied. The citizen correctly explains that being told he was not free to leave constitutes detention. This segment reinforces the importance of understanding legal definitions and insisting on documentation when rights are infringed.
Questions earlier, trying to get your side of the story. You didn't want to share anything. I told you I was here to get your side of the story.
All right, and was I fleeing from you or fighting with you or anything put you in danger?
No, you weren't.
So why would you put me in handcuffs?
I told you were going to be detained. I asked you a simple thing was for my safety, and your safety was to sit on the ground.
So here's the thing about sitting on the ground.
So
you don't know if I have medical issues, man.
Down, okay.
Can I get an incident report?
I told you go.
Can
to
I get an incident
station.
report?
I'll look it up for you, okay?
Can I get an incident report?
Yes, you can.
Can I get it right here, right
At the
now?
police
Can I
station.
get the number right here? Because I know you can pull it up in your.
Write it down.
Yeah, if you want to write it out, or just tell me. Right now. 1 second.
You let me know when you're ready.
All right.
So when I get the incident number, please. It's gonna be 20SP
0SP
0137
0137
62.
62.
All right,
That's it.
that's it.
All right. That's all I need to know, man.
Okay.
I don't know why you make it difficult, man. Like incident report. You think I'll be on my way?
That all you need,
sir?
You too, man.
That all you need?
That's all I wanted. Or did you have your name and badge number as well?
Yeah.
Oh, you got a business card? That's awesome,
business
dude.
card,
Dang,
all you
man, you fancy, dude. Here we go. All right, we all good?
All right, man. Look forward to the video, man. You have a good one.
All right. So, Blas Hernandez, I said hello. Yeah, he'll know what's up.
The video concludes with the officer providing the incident number and business card, ending the encounter without charges. The narrator reflects on the broader implications, emphasizing how easily constitutional rights are disregarded when officers assume accusations equal guilt. Viewers are reminded that citizens are not required to prove innocence and that lawful activity does not become criminal through suspicion alone. The closing message urges continued awareness, documentation, and education, reinforcing that recording police interactions remains one of the strongest tools for protecting civil liberties.